watch that beautiful video out there. Everybody say yay! Alright, so quick rules for you all. For your safety, go ahead, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times, and please supervise those children, because Santa is always watching. Do not embarrass me in front of Santa. Alright, hello everyone. My name is Skipper Kelly, and today I'll be your skipper, your reindeer wrangler, your garlic gatherer, and your secret Santa. Wait, sorry. I wasn't supposed to tell you that one. That was a secret. Forget it. Alright, now we're in the Amazon River, and if you listen carefully, you might be able to hear the call of the elusive humbug. Okay, everybody keep your ears open. Yes, a bah humbug. Alright, now though if you feel itching, that's the place not be done. Now folks, if you look into the water, you're gonna see nothing. Usually there's fish, but they all go home for the holidays. They celebrate Veronica. Now folks, we're headed into the Congo River, so let's see how far we can go. So real quick, anyone a fan of the Jungle Book? Cool, well it's right there if you want to see it again. It's the live action version, I don't know if that counts. Alright though, now right up ahead, that's Boats, Baits, and Bites. And at Boats, Baits, and Bites, you're always guaranteed to have a Merry Fishmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, it looks like someone's getting an old tree for Christmas. You can tell because they wrapped it up so nicely with a big boa on top. You know, it's supposed to be a partridge and a pear tree, but you get what you get. Oh, wow, guys. It looks like our present team is hard at work. You know, here at the Jingle Cruise, we say no monkey business. That's why we hire gorillas. Alright, yeah, I actually asked if I could join their team this year, and they said no. Apparently, I wrap presents like I park Jeeps and I drive boats. And I said, well, that's fair. Alright, we're now in the Nile River. It's actually very difficult to navigate this time of year. There's a very strong Yule tide. Now, right over here, you're going to see a couple of elephants. That's Jimbo and his buddy Jumbo. Yeah, so they've been very bad all year. And I told them they've got to straighten up their act or they're going to end up on the naughty list. If they don't believe me, they're in denial. Now, we're entering the African veldt, which is known for holding up the African pants. And folks, this is one of our wider displays of animals. It measures all the way from here to there. It's filled with so many cute different animals, like that bearded reindeer, and then there's that tall reindeer, and then, oh, look at that cute family of lions enjoying a holiday feast. Zebra on their backs. I'm just kidding, folks. He's just doing what I do during the holidays. Pretend to be asleep so I don't have to talk to my in-laws. Let's just let him rest in peace. Says, oh wow, just look at this sight. That's my best friend Ina. How about we all say hi, Ina? You know, Ina's actually a very special kind of hyena. They're called elf hyenas. Yeah, she's Santa's little yelper. We're entering Croc Country now. Right up here, you're going to see Old Smiley and his girlfriend Ginger. Now, Old Smiley, he's been so great all year. All of us skippers have decided to pitch in and buy him something he's really wanted. A crock pot. Yeah. And Ginger, you know, don't mess with Ginger. Especially your money, that's Ginger's bread. She wants up cookies. Now, right here, that's Schweitzer sauce. Named after world famous entrepreneur Dr. Albert. Well, yeah, did you guys feel that mist coming off of the water? Now that mist contains over 4,000 different types of bacteria. Yeah, but don't worry, only 2,000 of them are flesh-eating. Yeah, consider that my Christmas gift to you. Oh wow, it looks like we found where Skipper Felix hides all his Secret Santa presents. And how did he know all he wanted was a hippopotamus for Christmas? You know, only a hippopotamus would do. I don't want a dog, or dinky bigger toys. I just one hippopotamus to play with and enjoy. Now, folks, when you've been in the jungle as long as I have, you start to smell danger, that is. And I smell some danger coming up here. So everybody duck! Everybody duck! Don't worry about looking stupid. That's my job. No, guys, it's a boat filled with tailors. They want Biggie pudding and they won't leave until they get some. No, they won't leave until they get some. Alright, we're good now, folks. It just looks like little Timmy's not going to get the Jungle Explorer kit he wanted this holidays. That's okay, though. It still looks like they're working out all of the bugs. Now, folks, here's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's the one, it's the only, it's the egg wonder of the world. The dark side of water! Wow! A Boxing Day miracle. Now, folks, we're entering the Mekong River, and I don't know about you, but this side up here is Mekong me excited. Now, I heard a rumor, and I may be mistaken, but supposedly there's supposed to be a secret entrance to Santa's workshop in this tunnel. So everybody just keep your eyes open. Okay. Jungle Cruise is starting to come to an end. And what's a Jungle Cruise without a Jungle Cruise souvenir? Now, they say it's never too early to do some holiday shopping, and Trader Sam's got some amazing steals. They're actually quite the deal. And guys, you might notice it says lost and found over there. Just ignore that for me, okay? But really, what's a more perfect gift for your loved ones than something they were already looking for? Supervise those children. Once again, do not embarrass me in front of Santa. You know he's always watching. He knows when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you stand up on my boot. So, you better not, for goodness sake. Alright, now folks, you know, speaking of Santa, I want you all to make like Santa and leave my presents. Yep. Yep, you know, just get out. Yeah.